First day out at sea. And that's what the waves look like today. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy sea day.
Yeah.
So it's day 2 of the cruise, which is a sea day. We started with breakfast at Cabanas. That was delicious. I had a made-to-order omelet, which is always a nice option because you get some fresh eggs. So that was really good. Lots of veggies and bacon in there. And what did you have?
I had steak, eggs, and I had oatmeal with some raisins in it, and it was all really good. Very busy, hard to find a seat. Definitely go earlier if you can. So we're gonna head out and walk around the ship.
But yeah, we'll walk around for a bit, see what's going on with the activities on the ship, and then have some lunch.
All right, so this is our lunch. I got 3 tacos, 2 chicken, 1 beef with all the toppings. Looks pretty good. And then Emily got a bowl with pretty much the same toppings except for she got beans. All looks really good. All the desserts, 2 apiece. I know it looks like a lot.
This is our room service breakfast. I got a bagel, fruit, some pastries, Fruit Loops, orange juice, and coffee. And Thomas got Raisin Bran, fruit, pastries, orange juice. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
So we are in Florence today. It's day 3 of the cruise. Yesterday we just had a sea day and relaxed, but now we are in Florence and we're going to explore.
It should be fun. About a 2-hour drive here. We got up real early, but this is going to be a fun day. Can't wait to share it with you.
This excursion we booked through the cruise line. It's called Florence on Your Own, and it was $119 per person. It is a 2-hour drive into Florence, and the total time for the excursion is 10 hours. We are at our meeting place, and now we are headed off on our own. And Thomas started off by getting a wallet.
Yeah, I did get a nice leather wallet from Michelangelo. So comes in a nice little bag, insignia on it, and then it's just a nice 3-fold leather wallet, good amount of pockets, and then I got it embroidered.
There we go.
Yeah, very nice. Jay's a little off, but I'll take it because it's handmade, so appreciate it.
What was the price?
After all said and done, about 100. So the other wallet I had just doesn't carry as many cards because it was meant to be slim, but it was too slim, so this one will at least be able to carry more, and I got it from Florence, so yeah, I'm so excited about that. So that I'll be able to, when I take out my wallet, I'll be able to remember Florence every time.
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do next?
I think we're gonna walk around, explore a bit. This church that's behind you, this right behind us, we're gonna see it, but this is where we're meeting back with our group, so we're gonna save this to the end. So in the meantime, we'll see what we can find.
Let's do it.
Our tour guide was lovely. She was really helpful with letting us know good spots to stop in Florence.
Yes.
And so she guided us straight ahead, and we can go left to Ponte Vecchio Bridge and right to the Duomo.
Yep. So we're gonna head down the streets. That's the fastest way to get where we're going. So that was nice of her to tell us that.
Gorgeous day.
It is so nice out here. It's about 70. I don't know what the actual temperature, but it feels just a little A little warmer than it did this morning, which
Yeah.
was in the 60s when we first got off the ship.
But not a cloud in the sky. We
No.
couldn't ask for a better day.
So nice.
Yeah.
We got lucky here, and it's so beautiful here.
And she said for lunch that the standards are pretty high in Florence and to just kind of go anywhere because it's going to be a good bet. So that's the plan for lunch once we get to that point. We are standing in front of the Duomo. They're actively working on it, so it's a bit noisy here. But it's beautiful. The facade is really ornate and quite a sight to see. I don't think we'll go inside today.
No.
I don't think timing-wise it's going to work out best to meet up with our group, but it's nice to be here.
Yeah, it was a great little walk. Our tour guide showed us a nice street to go down. We went down that, and then another street to get down to the Duomo. It was pretty easy, nice walking, beautiful day. Already
day.
smelled some great food that we might be trying, so
Yeah.
it's just going to be a wonderful day, I think.
We've been stopping in some shops along the way, and the streets here are just so walkable.
Yeah.
It's been really enjoyable so far.
It's a great city. I would definitely recommend coming and visiting if you have some time.
We're at a piazza. We love the piazzas here. There's no cars. You can walk around pretty easily.
Yeah, lots of cool little statues and things that we'll show you as we walk around it, but
Yeah.
it's pretty cool. Very busy, but still walkable because there's lots of free space.
Lots of space, yeah. This is free to go in today, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Getting steak in Florence.
And you're having pizza.
I got the margarita pizza.
And I got the steak and onions.
We just finished up lunch just behind us here.
Baldino.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, that's with the olive oil and on the little card that we got. It said Baldino, so he
Nice.
said it's their olive oil too.
Great service, great food.
Just random, we didn't look it up. It was really good and we enjoyed it. So
It was really good. They started us off with some focaccia and olive oil. Very good. We didn't get any filming of it because we just kind of dove in, but it was really good.
yeah, we finished that before it was within 5 minutes. We had all the bread gone. So
Yeah, that was
it
fast.
was so good.
And then I got the margarita pizza, which was great. It had some really nice oil on it. The cheese was phenomenal. The crust was phenomenal. It was really good.
Yeah, and I got steak with red onion and a wine sauce. So good, so tender. All right.
So now we're going to check out the church in front of us here and get some gelato.
So I ended up getting the limon, one flavor. Very good. It's supposed to be Sicily lemon made from, so it's really good and very lemony.
I got the cookies. It's good as well. Good gelato.
Good gelato. Great day.
So the Flyboys was not for us.
So we're doing shuffleboard.
We're doing shuffleboard.
What we're doing, we're doing.
We haven't done this in many years.
Oh man.
Final score was a tie.
Final score, Thomas won by a lot. Emily did a good job.
It is the Slim Shady LG. Yes, it was spelled like Teen Spirit for one point, and then the lead singer of this song said he was trying to write the ultimate song. It was pop, option B. And referred to as my only friend in the song, what city is this song inspired by? Yes, it is Los Angeles. So, very good. So I played Baby and Under Pressure.
At our favorite restaurant tonight. Both got the escargot. Got the French onion soup. Okay, I got the filet, the Chateaubriand with the potatoes and green beans. And then Thomas got the salmon royale with the cauliflower puree. All right, finishing up the night with some warm cookies and milk. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's the next day. We didn't close out the vlog last night. We tried to see the Flyboys, but it was not for us. So we did some shuffleboard, and then we did 90s music trivia, which we were awesome at.
Yeah, we got about 50%.
And then we had dinner. We had dinner at Royal Palace, and we ended the night with some warm cookies and milk room service, which was a really nice way to end the night.
Yeah, it was really nice.
So tomorrow we have another big excursion day. We are going to this hilltop town and then having lunch in a vineyard. So we will see you then.